Welcome to another Moment with Lorraine. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Hello everyone, this morning I'm going to be boiling eggs. You'll be surprised how many people do not know how to boil eggs. So we're gonna go over to the sink and get the hot water running because we're gonna put the ice cold eggs in some hot water. That way they won't crack when you introduce them into the boiling hot water. This morning we're gonna do 7. Trying to hold the camera with one hand and do all this. Let's see, 2, 4, 1 more. Let's get a pot. I'm gonna use this one. And we're not gonna use the lid. So we'll just put that back and put these back over here on the counter. And I'm gonna fill the pot up with some hot water. When you do it with hot water, it doesn't take it so long to boil. Okay, that should be enough water. Let's turn the faucet off. The stove set on 7. We'll turn it up to 8 to bring it to a nice boil. Okay, the water is boiling, folks. There it is, rolling like a raging river. Those in there. Hopefully they don't crack. Even after putting them in the hot water, sometimes they, oops, got a little water on the stove, but that's all right. Sometimes they still crack. So hopefully these won't crack. Let's see. Nope, none of them cracked. Usually you have the one rebel egg that still cracks. So I'm gonna set the timer for, move this out the way. I'm gonna set it for 6 minutes because I like a 6-minute egg. 6. And there we go. And let that boil for 6 minutes. And I'm gonna take my 2 eggs out, and then I'm gonna let the others boil an additional 3 minutes, so they will be hard-boiled eggs. While those are boiling, I'm gonna pour out this warm water that the eggs are sitting in and fill it up now with some cold water, because we're gonna put the eggs in this cold water when they are done so they can cool down and it stops the cooking process. That's enough. Okay, we are down, counting down, and my 6-minute egg is done. Turn that timer off, and I'm gonna take my eggs, my 2 eggs that I like done perfectly, and put them down into the cold water so they will stop cooking and they will cool down and be cold enough for me to peel. Now the other eggs I'm gonna cook for an additional, because other people in the house like hard-boiled eggs, so I'm gonna cook these for an additional, let's see, we're gonna do additional 3 minutes and hit the timer. My voice is a little raspy this morning. I think I need some hot tea. Okay, you, come back here now. Trying to run off. Just dry those off. I have my cute little egg cup. I'm gonna put 1 egg in here, and then the other egg, I'm gonna crack it open and cut it in half so you can see exactly how it came out. Okay, so now the hard-boiled eggs are done. Let's turn that timer off. And I'm gonna turn, oops, let's turn the burner off. And I'm gonna put these eggs down in the cold water also. Let those stay in there for a few minutes to cool down. Okay, let's cut this egg open and hopefully it's done exactly how I like it. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Not too hard, not too soft. Not too hard, not too soft. Oh yes, that came out perfectly. This is how I like my eggs. So if you wanted to do an egg that's not too hard, not too soft, do it for 6 minutes after the water has come to a rolling boil, and you will get the perfect egg. Now let's see how the hard-boiled egg came out. This was done for an additional 3 minutes, so 9 minutes altogether. And look at that, perfect. So both eggs came out perfectly. We have the one that was done for 6 minutes and the one that was done for 9 minutes. So now you have it. This is how you do it for people who only like their eggs a certain way in your household. 6 minutes, 9 minutes. Perfect. Make everybody happy. Thanks everyone for watching my video. See you next time. Take care.